Hello, so now we are at Taiping. First place we're going to visit is this here, the coffee mill at Antong. So it's Antong Coffee Mill, Malaysia's oldest coffee, right? Malaysia's oldest coffee mill. This is the place where they were making the coffee, the original location where they were making the coffee. Okay, so they've got their bags of products in there. I won't go in there, but it looks like they've got a lot of these things here. So Antong Coffee Mill since 1933. So you're looking close to 90, I think it's 91 years. So let's have a look. Some of the beans that they use.
The bean is green color. Bean color. After it becomes black color, okay?
So when it's raw, it's green.
This one already cooked already.
So it's black.
Yes, 60 or 70. Stop work until now. 70 something already.
Wow. That's really interesting. So the owner who actually started this started when he was 16, right? And he's 70 now, so he's been in the industry for quite some time.
Okay, so we can walk up there.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
So, we can't go in, that's okay. But you can see that in the back,
The oven.
And then we have the roaster, I believe, here with the coffee being turned, and you can see some coffee down there actually that has fallen off from the roasting machine. Yeah, it's amazing to see how this whole area is functioning by these belts.
Coffee.
Yeah.
Okay.
We got the Liberica, Arabica, and
Wow.
The make coffee all and white coffee. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3 here. And this one. Cookie lava.
So this would be from Johor.
Yeah, Johor. And then here, 1, 2, 3 here. Okay. And this one, other country.
So you can see Kenya, Colombia,
yeah. Wow. You see the bean quality is different, the size. Some is round shape, some is longer one. You see, right? My English is not good.
That's good.
Broken.
Yeah, that's good.
Very good.
I understand.
Murals, you can actually see the other coffee trees. So really this is just an example of the number of different trees that make up the farm.
Alright, so we've stopped by here, we've bought our coffee beans and a 3-in-1 coffee, and we've got a triple espresso ice cream. So we're going to now head off to our accommodation. Alright, so it looks like they're doing a bit of roasting right now with the coffee beans. Right, so they use the wood for the fire, and it's a few things happening there. And then there's a machine on the far left, which looks like it's roasting the beans themselves. So once the beans are roasted, it gets transferred, I think, to the massive wok here, and it's cooked with the caramel, and that's what they're doing now. Hey, thank you. Alright, so I believe that's the owner of the Coffee Mill.